Oftentimes it's like, okay, when we are going through stuff that we don't like, or when God has decided to pass judgment on us and we are not 100% happy or satisfied with what God is telling us, how oftentimes do we complain and come back at God and all this, that, and the third one? So let's go down to Leviticus 10, and that is when we talk about Aaron's sons. So basically, God had given Aaron this position within the tent of meeting, which was aka the church, and Aaron's sons gave this basically unauthorized fire and God killed their behinds. So, but the interesting thing that I thought about this is that Aaron, it says in the next verse that Aaron remained silent. And really, Aaron was a minister. His sons got struck dead, 2 of them, and it basically said Aaron was silent because God had spoke. God already told him, like, look, I have a problem with your kids. They disrespected me. They did this unauthorized fire, and now they're dead. Now what? And Aaron couldn't say anything. And I think that that's one of our that's one of the things that we have to remember as children of God. It's like, no, in life we don't always get our way, and we don't even know why things are happening or even happening to the people that we love. But one thing that we do need to remember is that God's judgment, whatever judgment he chooses to pass, even if we don't understand, is just, and we don't always need to fight God on what his decisions are in our life. Instead, we just need to be silent, trust that God knows what he's doing, even if it's not what we would do or what we want to happen, and not argue or complain about God's direction or his decisions that he has made in our lives.
Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site where you can read hundreds of articles. And also you can feel free to shop my store where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.